Hello everybody, welcome back to Koga TV, your number one stop channel where we talk about investment, where we are very particular about educating people financially. We want everybody to be financially literate. We don't want you to be naive when it comes to money. You work hard for your money, so we don't want you to waste it. So we teach you about budgeting, we teach you about investing. So in the last video, I told you that I'm going to tell you about money market funds. Money market fund is a type of investment, or it's an investment instrument which invests in a mutual fund. So a mutual fund is when so many people bring their monies together, give it to an asset manager, and the asset manager will invest the money into securities or investments, and when they make interest on the investment, the interest is being shared among all the members of the fund. So that is what money market fund is basically. So whole bunch of people come together, put their monies together, invest it or give it to an asset manager. They invest it, and the returns are being shared by everybody in the mutual fund. So money market funds, whenever you put your money in a money market fund, the moment you put your money in a money market fund, it starts earning for you. You start getting interest that very same day. So money market fund is one of the safest entry points into investment. So if you are new to investment, the safest place to start is a money market fund. And also, if you have a low risk appetite means that you don't really want to lose your money. So a person with a low risk appetite, what it means is that the person doesn't want to lose their money. So if you are like such a person, the best place to invest your money is in a money market fund. So the best money market fund that I will advise for you is what we call the IC Liquidity Fund. The IC Liquidity Fund is a financial instrument or investment instrument by IC Africa, and they are being managed by IC asset managers. So if you want to know the kind of money market or mutual fund that you want to put your money into, you can visit the Ghana Stock Exchange website. You go into their list of financial institutions, you check fund managers, you check asset managers, and you see the companies that are being listed there. You see the companies that have license to operate in Ghana, then you can put your money in there. I would advise that you put your money, or you save, or you invest with IC asset managers. What I like about IC asset managers or IC liquidity fund is that you can invest any money from 1 cedi. You can invest 1 cedi, and as soon as you invest 1 cedi, your 1 cedi will start gaining passive income. What is passive income? Passive income basically means interest on your money. You see, when you work every day, you get salary. That is what we call active income, because it's the money that you get when you work, right? So when you get money and you invest, the interest that you get is what we call passive income. So your interests will also get interest for you. So it means that in a way you didn't work for that money, right? And it comes. So IC Liquidity Fund will make sure that you get passive income from your money. Also, you can withdraw your money anytime within 2 working days, anytime. So that's what I have been using. I've been using it since December last year, and I've used it so many times. I've placed so much money into it, and I've withdrawn so much money from it. So the interest on the IC Liquidity Fund or the interest on a money market fund is always better than the one that the bank will give you. The bank will give you, let's say, 5% to 8% at most. So if your money is lying in a bank, you're basically wasting your money, right? Putting your money in the bank is for transactional purposes only. You only put your money in the bank if you want to use it. Maybe you want to import something from China. You put the money in the bank, they will transfer it to your your supplier, right? So something like that for transactions. That is what a bank is for. Putting your money in a bank for a very long time is not good for you. Saving your money is not good for you. Invest your money, and invest your money into a money market fund, or what I will say, IC Liquidity Fund. It's very safe. The reason why it's safe is that they don't invest the money into high risk investment instruments. They invest the money into fixed deposits, which is being available in the bank, right? They invest their money in treasury bills, and they invest their money in government bonds. These are safe places that you can put your money. So when they get returns from these places, they share it among all the people in the fund. It's not volatile like investing in crypto, investing in forest, investing in stocks. These places are volatile. So if you don't have a high risk appetite, you don't go to these places. You remember when one colleague of ours came to complain on social media that they lost 400,000 Ghana cedis in forest. It is a very high volatile financial instrument. What it means is that you can get money, big money, if you put your money in stocks or in crypto or in forest. You can get big money. It also means that you can lose your money big time. You can lose all your money overnight. So that place is very volatile. It's inflammable. It catches fire anytime. You can get big money, you can lose big money. But with a mutual fund or with a money market fund or with IC Liquidity Fund, your money is assured. In investment, we don't say anything is 100% assured, but I can assure you that it is safer to put your money in a money market fund. And the moment you put your money in a money market fund, it starts earning for you. So one thing that I like about IC Liquidity Fund or IC Asset Managers or IC Africa is that they have an app that you can download from the Apple Play Store or the Google Apple Store and the Google Play Store, called the IC Wealth. With this app, you can invest your money through mobile money or through your bank. You can link your bank to the app. You can link your mobile money to the app, and you can invest anytime you want. You can also withdraw your money anytime you want. As I said earlier, you can invest 100 cedis, you can invest 1 cedi, you can invest 10 cedis, and your money will start earning the very day you put your money into that fund. You can also automate your monies with the IC Wealth app. You can tell the app that anytime there's money in your mobile money, you want it gone into your IC Liquidity Fund or into your money market fund. So if you tell the app that you want 10 cedis every day to go into the fund, whenever there's 10 cedi on your mobile money, automatically it will go into the fund, so that you don't have to, it saves you the stress of always trying to invest. Automatically it will go, and by the time you realize you've accumulated so much money, or what we call in financial terms, you have packed so much money that you can also invest in other instruments. So if you add value in this video, please comment, like, share to your friend, and also tell us where you also invest your money. Maybe you also have other fund managers that you trust. You can tell us in the comment section so that we can all learn. All right, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.